Hi Surendra, this is Krishnan here. I welcome to Coffee with Krishnan show. This is episode number 5. Our episode is episode number 5. Okay. Hi
Yes, sir.
viewers, let me introduce CA Surendra for you. This video, as you all wish, it's going to be in English. Basically, it's in English because episode number 1, 2, 3, 4 are in Tamil, but you people wanted one episode in English. So that's why this episode. English may be a little broken English, so kindly bear with us. We are not Englishmen or Australians, no, to talk in English perfectly. So we have some grammar mistakes, etc. But to satisfy you people on a larger crowd, this video we are going to talk in English. Surendra, are you comfortable in English? No problem for you, right?
Yes, sir. No problem, sir. No problem.
Okay, done. So the topic for the today's discussion is you are triplet, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So and presently you are working in bank.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the topic for today's session is how to become triplet. So what is triplet? First, you should tell what is triplet, how to become triplet, your journey of becoming triplet. Okay. And
Yes.
the next scenario is presently you are working in bank. So what the banking sector needs from a professional.
Okay.
Okay. So all these things we need from you. So you can start telling about us, all these things to us.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. First of all, I thanks to Krishnan sir for giving me opportunity to share my experience. So, as a students, we have so many venues, but when you come to a perfect venue, then only number of students will have that exact reach. It will have exact reach. So many people, students are struggling how to do. They didn't have proper guidance. So somehow, even though some are willing to do, but they are not able to do. So these platforms will provide the students exact what they have to do, how they have to do. Thanks for that, sir. Thank you, sir, Krishnan sir, once again. And even I completed my CA. I used to watch your videos as and when it is uploaded. The first year, maybe I am the first one to comment, or I will see and any this one. Thank you, sir. Thank you for that. And coming to the professional courses, I joined in CA in 2012 CPT, and then after completion of 2012 CPT first attempt, I completed IPCC in 2013 first attempt. Then after I went to articles 2014. At the time of articles, I searched where to go. I was a native of Andhra Pradesh, which was a rural area, Srikakulam. If I come to the background, no, I didn't from childhood. I didn't have any. I have to do CA and nothing like that. As in I grown, my brother already elder to me. He already done doing pursuing his CA. So that through him I came to CA, and so was the person who guided me is my brother exactly. So in these days,
So what's your
guided
name of
me,
your brother?
sir.
What's your name of your brother?
Santosh Kumar Gambali. Santosh
Okay.
Kumar Gambali. He
So
is
we should give
presently.
credit to him also in this video. That's the thing.
Oh, acha, sir. Currently,
We
he's.
may be inviting him also in future.
Acha, good, sir. Good, sir. Thank you. Thank you. So then after he guided me which courses better. So as he is CA, I was also interested in CA. So I came to CA pursuing. Then after CPT IPCC, I searched for articles. For articles, I thought where to go. Being a basic from background of Andhra Pradesh, I thought that doing articles in a separate state may have added advantage in language. Another added advantage of language, or being it is Tamil Nadu, more of the industrial areas, I can able to reach more people, and for pursuing my final and other professional courses, it will be. I thought Tamil Nadu will be good for that, so I choose Tamil Nadu, Chennai for the articles. So I went to articles in Chennai medium firm. It was a medium firm. I joined there. As in when I joined the articles, I am thinking whether to do which course further. CA, parallel to CA, which course I can do. I thought of doing CMA or CS. My brother suggested me that CA and CMA syllabus most probably will be equal syllabus. So better of doing CMA you can do later, but you first concentrate on CS. As CS company secretary's course is very dominant, and each one require a company secretary. So I thought that this is a mostly law oriented. So I was also interested towards the company law, secretary laws, and economic laws. So I thought of doing company secretary course. So in that, during my articles, I planned for company secretary course. I registered for 2014. I registered for CS executive. I completed in 2 attempts, first attempt the first group and second attempt in second group. Second attempt I completed second group. Then after 1 year later, I got 2016 CS professional final attempt, and parallelly I completed my CS articles also. It is going on parallelly. At last 4 months, I took a leave from my principal. He given me leave for 4.5 months. And as you said in previous sessions, why articles is important, how it is important, while choosing the articles, why it is important. No? Our principal is must be our supportive. He should be encouraging. So we should see such a form that we should not go for only based on stipend, or all we have to see whether the principal is good, he is allowing us to teach, or is willing us to enlighten our knowledge. We have to see all the factors also. So this helped me that being a medium firm, he allowed me, my friends, to go for the exams. He encouraged to. So by this way, it helped me. And after when I prepared parallelly for CS and CA final, in 2016 I was completed CS final, both all the 3 modules at a time. So I completed, but CA final I didn't able to complete. So then after 2017, up to 2017, I completed my articles. So articles period is completed. For that, in our regulation,
let us have a breakdown here. Like for example, let us draw a timeline. So no, because now people watching this video should understand the timeline. You started your CPT, that is foundation in 2012. Okay, then after 2012, you joined CA firm, right? Or IPC when you completed?
2013, sir. November 2013.
12 is CPT and 13 is IPC.
Yes,
then you joined articleship firm.
Yes,
and once you joined the articleship firm, you started reading for your CS also. So you started CS also parallelly.
Yes, sir.
So,
yes, sir.
2014 is your starting point of your articles. 2015-16, you completed your CS inter, and you are ready for CS final. Parallelly, CA final also coming.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Exactly.
Okay, so CA final you will be writing first, and immediately in next week you will be writing CS final, kind of.
Yes, exactly.
Okay. So in that time you completed CS first. Initially you completed CS, but
sir.
in CA you have some attempt, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so you got failed in CA.
CA final, I was not able to complete that.
Okay, CA final, that attempt you cannot complete.
Yes, sir.
Okay, but you completed CS.
CS full, all modules completed.
Okay, all modules you completed. Okay, now you took separate coaching for CS, or you are taken coaching only for CA?
No, sir. Basically, I took a coaching for CA only in our SIRC ICA. I used to attend your classes also, guest classes also.
No, see, I know you as well as your brother. I know. So see, I know. See, my only question is whether you took separate classes for CS. That's my question.
No, sir. No, sir. No separate classes for the CS, sir. I taken only coaching for CA. Based on CA only, I self-study. This is I planned.
That's area only I'm coming. CS, how difficult it is compared to CA?
Yes, sir. In CA, it is more probably like accounting and auditing, and theory and problematic will be mixed in CA. When compared to CS, it is fully law oriented. It is specifically to tell it is a theory oriented papers in CS. All the 9 papers with secretarial laws, company laws, advanced tax laws, corporate governance, ethics, information technology, capital markets, relating to capital market economic laws. So it will be more oriented towards the theory. So persons who are little bit, I was not comfortable with theory, so they may feel that this is difficult. But by practicing, it will come. It will, same syllabus as a CA syllabus, but little bit theory oriented and laws oriented. It will be there.
Okay, see, many people who are studying CS alone, like no, from the day one, only CS, they think CS itself is a difficult course. But many people who are doing CA along with CS, for example, I did CA. After completion of CA, I started my CS from scratch. Because I wanted to become law faculty. I wanted to know what is there in CS, because CS is fully law, correct? So I started my CS career from the scratch. I completed all the, see, for example, my students who are writing CS examination, like no CA with CS. So along with them, I used to write. They'll be like, sir, what is this? Faculty is coming and writing examination. I used to tell, hey, for CS, I am also a student. Okay, like you, I am also a student. Only thing is, see, I wanted to know where I am standing in law. That is the reason I studied. Because I can do self-study, but in a student level, how you did self-study? That's what I wanted to know.
Okay, okay, sir.
So I
If you
wanted
take
tips from
CA and
you
CS,
for a
CMA
CA
separately.
students. Okay, once again. For a CA students, how they can study CS by doing self-study?
Okay, self-study. Yeah, person only applied for CS only.
No. CA student doing CS, how he
Ah,
can
yes,
do?
sir.
That's
Okay,
what.
okay, okay. Ah, yes, sir. I got the point. If a person pursuing CA and parallelly pursuing the CS, how they have to do CS parallel course? First of all, what we have to see is what are the syllabus common for CA and CS. First, for every exam, what I used to do, I take up the syllabus. What are the syllabus is there? CS syllabus. I used to write all the subjects and syllabus so that I will have while writing the idea. Oh, this is already covered in CA. Okay, this is easy. This is not covered in CA. Oh, this is new syllabus. This is new topic to me. So that I can identify which of the out of the 30 chapters or 32 chapters, so many of the resemblance to CA syllabus. So out of 30, 16 chapters are repeated, so that I can concentrate later. What are the new syllabuses are there, I can concentrate now, so that later on I can go through that as I have just idea, so I can easily go through it. So first I taken as what are the syllabus is there for CS. First I will go through all the syllabus. What is I will make a note is that all the nine subjects. What are the syllabus are there? What are same to the CA? What are the different apart from CA? So that I can concentrate on this. If suppose if you take in law, company law, in both papers company law will be same. In corporate governance, when I wrote old syllabus, so CA old syllabus, governance aspects is not covered in CA paper. CS only governance aspects is there. So I have to concentrate professional ethics, etiquettes, and all these chapters are new, and drafting and pleading. And these are only exclusively in CS only. It will not be there in CA. So what are the topics are there in CA? We can study later. What are the new? We can focus more. And in such a way, I plan.
Okay. So after completing CS, okay, your CA is pending, right? Whether you
Yes,
felt bad of because of failing CA.
yes, yes,
Okay. So how you came out of the depression?
yes, sir. Actually, first as a CA student, our focus first will be on the CA only. CS is parallel. While writing CA, I have to pass CA and CMA. So that I thought that
So
I took okay.
the priority is more for CA generally, correct? The priority what you will give is more for CA.
Yes, sir. More priority will be given to CA. So as and when I prepared well for the CA, but I was not able to crack that CA. But I was finished in 2016 all the three model at a stretch for CS. I was thinking that all others CS is very difficult. Now how you completed, but CA you didn't complete. Now how you completed? It is more theory oriented. How you can complete? You are able to complete. So I thought that I made the plan. What the plan I made? CA and the CS syllabus. What are there are in that way I prepared. But in that CS final I completed, then I know that what are the lags I had in CA final during the preparation, or what are the topics I have. So I noted down what are the steps gone went in previous exam attempt. So I was able to correct in next exam. I was able to correct it and able to proceed and pass it in
So
attempt.
immediately after the next attempt, that means second attempt you completed.
Second attempt also I got failed, sir. Actually, I took it is for CA first attempt. I wrote totally 5 attempts.
Oh,
Even if I am
you.
a rank, even if I am a CMA rank, all India third rank, I
Okay, I
was
will come to CMA. I will come to CMA later. You finish first the CA.
okay, sir. CS 2000 completed. Then after 5 attempts, 2016, 2017 2 attempts. In 2017, I wrote May 2017. This was failed with 392 aggregate. I lost. Then after November 2017, I was able to complete first group alone.
So
And
in third attempt, you complete first group of CA.
yes, sir. In third attempt, I completed first group of CA. Then after fourth attempt, I write for the group 2 alone. I was that is also aggregate. I missed. In fifth attempt, I was completed uh, group 2 also. So cleared CA final in 2018 around
So
2018.
we will say you are not brilliant, but you are stubborn, determined.
Yes, sir. Exactly.
So an average student who cleared CS then CA.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Exactly.
Then tell your journey of CMA also.
CMA. Connecting to previous explanation, when I went into the articles, I thought whether to do CS or CMA. Then first I thought during the articles I can complete CS. Means I can have when I went from the profession, I complete as a qualified, so I can have CS and CA. So later part for the time according to time I can apply for the CMA. While writing for November 2017 attempt, I have time as there is no exam for me. CS is already completed in 2016. 2016 it is completed. For May 2017, I didn't have any exam. Only CA exam is there. So I thought that I applied for the CMA Enter. So in that way, while writing the final, I prepared for CMA Enter also. In the 2018, I applied for CMA Enter.
So 2018 only you applied. After failing in the first attempt of CA, you applied
Yes,
for CMA.
yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah. So then after I came that May 2018, I applied for it. It came for November 2018 attempt. Then after I completed inter also. As it is a CMA inter, I already had gone through CA ITCC, same syllabus will be there. CA final also completed, CS also completed. So with the knowledge, as you know now, after CA final exam, the gap will be between the CMA and CS exam will be roughly around 20 days only, not more than month or twice.
Yeah, 1 week, 1.5 weeks only they will give generally.
1 week or 1.5 week will be there, and that too while I am writing CS professional, it is all continuous exam. No gap is there.
Yeah, daily exam. CS is daily exam. Yeah.
So I was able to manage that in such a way that it should not affect that CS exams also. So after that, I applied for CMA in 2018. I applied for Enter. I got all India 36th rank in CMA Enter. Then after I applied for from
All
1
India
year.
36th rank you got.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So,
Yes.
but you still or you are failing in CA final.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Still, at that November only, November 18, I wrote for the CMA Inter. I got 36th rank, but in that attempt, I was not able to complete second group of the CA final.
Okay.
Then after from 1 year onwards, 1 year after November 2018, in November 2019 only, CMA final attempt has to come. 1 year gap is there. In that, in May 2019 also, I failed for CA final group 2. So then after November 2019, second module of the CA final and two modules of the CMA final is there with me. So in November 2019, I wrote for the CMA final. I got all the complete clear and got all India third rank also in
So
CMA
all
final.
India third rank in CMA.
Yes, sir.
That is like wow. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Then tell me. Then what happened in your life after that?
Then after that, CA completed, CMA completed, and CS completed. So I had I given complete to all my professional courses. I felt very happy. You already could know while you failed in CA final 2016, whether you got depressed or how you handled that. At that time, I thought that if I completed in CA final in 2016 attempt, I may not be able to come for the CMA apply. Maybe I
So you
was in
wouldn't
job.
have taken CMA itself. Like you will be satisfied with CSCS.
Yes, sir. I will be satisfied with the CA and CS. Okay, I will put a dot. So I take in a positive mode that so because of CA I didn't fail for to cover the gap. CMA gave me 36th rank, third rank. So this gap of CA final failure covered me for CMA and CMA those ranks. I thought in that way. Oh, one negative happened, one positive happened. So balance sheet tally in our view.
Okay. So now what are you doing presently at present?
Now I am currently doing in a bank, working in a bank as a company secretary department. I am working in company secretary department, sir.
Okay. So in a good bank, you are working in company secretary department. Okay. Why you choose company secretary department? Why not now finance department?
Yes, sir. From since my CA journey, I was little bit interested towards law, in company
Okay.
law and other laws, labor laws.
So you are
So which
always inclined towards law.
yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir. So that's the reason which made to do CS first also.
So that
And
is the push for your all clearing in the first attempt itself in CS.
yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir. And first also CS completed first. First qualification is CS. That also will be there in mind.
Okay. So you choose that field in your life then.
Yes, sir.
See, I will tell you, triplet, 90% people are practicing in finance. You are the first person I have seen triplet practicing in corporate, means like secretaryship.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So now you tell me what in banking sector they are expecting from us professionals.
Yes, sir. As a banking sector, bank is a regulator. It will be in bank. It will be all based on regulations, banking law or FEMA laws. If it is compared to as it is being a company, it has to adhere to the Companies Act also. While it is a mix of all laws will be to be complied by a bank.
Every law will be applicable. No SARFAESI, Companies Act, Income Tax Act, GST, everything. Now
I will
IBC, insolvency, bankruptcy, everything will be applicable.
whatever law we quote, it will be applicable as a some part of it. It will be applicable, even
Even
though
information technology is applicable for them. No, information technology.
Jobs and
They're
Establishment Act
banking.
also will apply for branches. They have to register with the municipalities. So that bank is a combine of it will whatever the law introduced, it will be applicable to bank. It will be like in that way.
So in future, whether you will have plan to do any LLB courses?
Actually, I am planning to do for LLB, sir. Presently, I am searching for the institute where to do LLB. I was much interested in doing LLB also.
Yeah. See, I will tell you, I think you would have done your BCom through IGNO, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You would have
First,
done BCom through IGNO. See, I will tell you, the one of my students faced this problem when he was trying to do LLB from various universities across India. They asked him 3 different year certificate, like first year, second year, third year certificate. They asked for BCom.
okay.
Okay. So since he did in IGNO, like no, because we have a MOU with ICI,
Yes, sir.
IGNO ICI MOU. Because of that, he didn't get the 3 different year certificate. But in
Yes.
certain universities, it is specifically they are asking 3 different year certificate for LLB.
Okay.
So
Okay.
this problem that person faced, that student faced, he's like you also. He is like CA, CS, CMA, ACCA, then CISA, then CPA, whatnot. Okay, that no, after a few episodes, maybe like 11th or 12th episode, he'll be with us because today he is preparing for CPA. His
Okay.
examination is getting postponed due to COVID. So he is like, no, I will come to you only after finishing CPA, kind of that person. Okay.
Achha, achha. Okay, good, sir.
So I will, so like no, see, but he is facing this difficulty because he want to do LLB also. I just wanted to ask whether you are also facing this difficulty because you may be searching for no universities, etc.
Actually, I am searching for LLB university. Distance, I was not able to find any universities presently, sir. That's the problem presently I am facing actually.
Okay, okay, done. Okay, Surendra, you tell me like no, you give some tips for our students. Okay, what exactly the sector, the banking sector, because many CA students want to work in banks in future because
Yes, sir.
finance, the biggest employer for finance professional till last decade is banks. You know, right?
Yes, sir.
Because after
Yes.
become bank job. This is what the previous generation thought is like no getting a job in a bank itself is a dream job. See
Yes.
today we are thinking of no private equity finance, banking, like no what we can say investment banking.
Investment
Okay,
bank.
so
But
this is dream job for many chartered accountants or other professionals also. So you tell me like no what they have to get equipped for coming here.
yes, sir. Well, get what are the roles will be there for CA in bank exactly to describe. First of all, finance. We can say from our syllabus itself. What are the syllabus in our final subject? Each subject is each role or each department in a bank. If we take FR, financial reporting, it is pertains to financial department. Finance department. If we take law, it is a legal. Audit means internal audit, concurrent audit, inspection and audit separate department will be there. If you take in audit also information system audit separate will be there. If you take for the costing, advanced cost management, it is for loan proposals how to cost based on person to person based on the borrower civil score and cost restructuring. And if you take further direct tax, indirect tax, direct tax department will be there, the indirect tax department will be there. And if you go for the auditing, separate auditing will be there. Each subject will have separate department. If you see in a bank, if suppose the role is finance, we can have risk analysis. As a credit officer in treasury, if a person has an interest in treasury also, they can move for the treasury investments, investment decisions, and risk weighted. If you see that recently banks are RBI given that they should not give any dividend. This is why they have, what are the scenarios, stress testing, what are the moratorium, loan moratorium they have given. These aspects has to be analyzed by the risk department. In risk also CS will be there. What are the risk, country risk, market risk, operation risk, what are the risk involved in sectors, industry, specific to the industry. So that for a CA it is wide open to the wide open to all the opportunities. So it is up to you to grab the opportunity where you want, whether you required in finance. A CA can be fitted into CS company secretary department also. Even though in my department of working CA who did CA and currently pursuing CS also, they are doing. Because we CA have all the knowledge of law, finance, tax. They also prefer a CA along with these multiple qualification. Why? Because no, they will have the multiple identifying the in a tax aspect what will be happen, in law aspect what is going to happen, in GST aspects we can connect the points, connect the dots. So they exactly want that from a profession what you can give better from you. Suppose if a certain aspect is came, what it affect from law point, what is the aspect from the income tax point. So we able to analyze the situation, we can give better solution to resolve that. So what they exactly expect from the CS.
Okay, what is the added advantage of you being working in the industry? What is the added advantage you are having being a triplet?
Yes, sir. Good question, sir. Actually, some most of them they ask that why to do all the 3 degrees? One will be enough. No, why to do all this? Anyone, if you go industry, outside industry will have CA only. No, why to do? But the exact question is not about only doing one course. All the 3 professional courses have the same curriculum and same uh, little bit changes will be there. So in the while doing a CA only, without any further effort, we can able to CMA or complete CMA or CS. No separate effort is required. If you thought that after completing CA, I will start CMA. After completing CMA, I will start CS means the time may not be the time may not be adjust for you. While pursuing a one course,
Okay, Surendra, you tell me whether there is any separate articleship for these courses like CS, CWA, whether they have a separate articleship.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. For CA, we already know that 3 years of articles has to be done. For CMA and CS, for CS, if you pass it for executive, we can do for 3 years of articles after completing executive. Otherwise, after completing CS final, you can complete 1 year of articles. You can do that articles in a CA form, a CS form, company secretary form, or lawyer form, or a company having the specified paid up capital turnover. So we can put a experience certificate also, so that we can exemption from the articles.
Okay, so
For
no,
free,
you tell me presently without any malpractice if a person want to complete. Okay, so for example, because of the reason after completing CS, I have to work in a CS firm. I have not touched one last module which is still pending for me because my feeling is, see, I have not completed CS. I have completed CS Inter in all one shot with 67%. CS final one module. I completed first module and third module with approximately 70%. Okay, but second module I have
oh,
not
good.
yet completed. Why? Because after completing, okay, if at all I want to take some membership, I have to go somewhere like that. That's what. Because see, I wanted to be practicing CA, and for a understanding sake, okay, for graduation sake, I want to take CS, or I
Yes,
want to know myself. I want to know where I am standing in a law. That's the reason. But
yes,
since
sir.
you are now practicing as a CS, no, like no, you are working as a CS in a big banks. How you completed you without any malpractice kind of like how you finished that course articleship kind.
Yes, sir. Actually, in 2016, I completed CS, but I was not able to go for the CS articles. Why? Because my CA is there. Mainly CA is focused, no. So I was not able to complete my CS articles. So presently, I am in a bank. So that by keeping this experience, I can apply for the membership. Till now, I didn't apply for membership. I have
Okay.
to do I have to do for certain art orientation programs and all. Based on in CS regulation itself, they have given that if you completed, if you have experience of 2 years or 2 years experience in a paid up bank or finance institution company having the specific paid up capital banking turnover, you can apply for exemption certificate and you can apply for experience certificate. Based on that, they will give exemption by paying the 10,000 amount fee so that we can get a membership. If suppose and further CA practicing also, the person who are practicing like you CA practice based on their experience, CA practice, they can also apply for exemption.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. That's possible. Oh, ho, ho.
It's they will say that regulation 46 of the company secretary rules, they have specifically mentioned what is the person working in a company, what are the norms for practicing advocate, practicing chartered accountant and cost accountant. So they say that it is legally valid on by the institute itself. They have mentioned why, because a person doing a job, he may not go for a articleship for
How
separately.
it is possible for him to go for? See, that is the reason many people are not doing CA itself. See, CA, if articleship is not there, there will be like no 5 times more number who would be doing CA now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, done. Okay, Surendra, thank you so much for coming to my show and telling tips for. See, and another thing, you got rank, right? CMA, you got rank.
Yes, sir.
Like no, without any further coaching for CMA, okay, only taking coaching for CA, that too CA I am failing, but CMA I am getting rank. How it is possible? Like no, what thing you did for CMA rank? That too, all India third rank is something huge.
Yes, sir. CA, while doing CA in CA, we used to get all the stuff for preparing. While preparing for CA, we prepare with all the practice manuals, study materials, and coaching materials, RTPs, mock test, and all. We will be using doing all the materials. No, with the CA background, while going for CM, it is okay. Easy. This problem is already covered there. I didn't. I done this. I done this. We can have what previously I said. No, first shortened out the syllabus what it is there. If it is a repeated syllabus, I need not be concentrated as I already studied in CA. So it is I can give less importance to that. The new syllabus which are there, I have to concentrate on. Exactly what he requires is rightly pointed in CA you file, but in CMA you are able to get a rank all India third rank. What makes you to do means, but it is just the planning, sir. Purely planning. What the syllabus is there, what I have to study, where I am now, by seeing what the okay common syllabus. Okay, I can study later. What are the new syllabus is there? I have to focus. And in CMA also RTPs, mock test will be there, practice manuals will be there, previous question papers will be there. And if we in CMA, what the advantage is, in CA we will not able to tell from which chapter how many marks will come. We may say randomly, approx. But in CMA enter, CMA final, they will specifically from this part 60% will come, from this part 30% will come. When I am preparing for CMA final, I choose the Suchita Prakashan scanners. As the time is less, after completing CA exams, I have to appear for the CMA exams. So that I will have roughly around 20 days. So that what the way, first fixing the scope is very important. What you have to read. Scope. I fix it to Suchita Prakashan scanners. If I didn't have any comfort in that Suchita Prakashan scanner, then I will refer to study material or practice manual. So my scope was restricted. First, fixing the scope will enable user 50% of the syllabus out of 100%. Fixing the scope, what to read, where to read. If you completely freeze, no, 50% will be completed. Remaining 50% is how to read, how to appear for the exam. In Suchita Prakashan scheme scanners, if suppose they will give the trend analysis from which chapter how it came, 2018 20 marks, 2019 20 marks, 15 marks. I used to and chapters itself I used to give a marking. First I have to do by completing this chapter I can able to get 20 marks. If it is a chapter has a if single paper has a 30 chapters, first I will short it which chapter, from which chapter more marks are coming. 1 2 3 5 6 7 8 I used to mark it. While studying also I used to do, first I have to complete this one, second I have to complete. Even if it is a time is not there, even out of 30 I was able to complete only 17 or 18. Remaining chapters will be 19 to 20 I left. No, leftover chapters will come only 3 marks, 2 marks. So basic total it is exactly Pareto theory, 80 to 20. I completed the chapters of 20%. from which 80 marks has to come. So I completed in such a way that so that even I didn't complete the full chapters of 30. I was comfortable for going the exam with the 20% of the chapters covering the 80% of the marks. Remaining also I can write with my knowledge. So
Okay.
in such a way for every chapter, every paper I made like this. So it helped me a lot. And another
So
one,
whether you expected rank when you are studying,
yes sir.
whether you expected rank when you are writing the exam.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Actually, what happened is when I was writing for CMA Inter, I got 36th rank, and my brother at the same time wrote CMA final. He missed a top 5 All India 5 rank with a 3 marks, 5 marks,
So
5
what rank he
marks.
got?
Sir,
What rank he got?
actually he got in SFM 36 SFM 36 marks he got.
Okay.
To pass marks in that, he will get that he got all the aggregate and full amount. In specific subject only he lost the 8 marks
Okay.
with the
So
eight.
he missed that. Okay, he got enough marks in other subjects. He would have got rank, but since because he failed in one subject, that entire thing was got missed.
Yes, sir. If he completed that with minimum 40 marks, he will be around fourth, all in the top rank, 1 to 10 ranks, he may be there. At the time, I
Okay.
was disappointed. Arey, acha, my brother also completed, no, I will also happy. I got rank. He also got rank, and he completed. At the time only, I fixed in mind. I have 1 year from my CMA enter. CMA enter after CMA final, you will have a gap of 1 year.
Okay.
This is the cooling period like that. After 1 year of the CMA completion only, we will get the eligibility. So
Okay.
at the time only, I fixed in mind that anyhow I have to get the rank. My brother missed rank in top 10 ranks, so I have to do. For me, chance is there. If I didn't have chance, so by keeping the target, it is useless. But I have a target. I have a time. 1 year is there, and parallelly I am preparing for CA final also. So that I fixed at the time of at the result of inter only I fixed. I have to get top 1 to 10 rank, any rank. 1, 2, 3 getting is very. I thought 1, 2, 3 top 10 I fixed first time. From since studying itself, I have to get a rank. I have to plan accordingly. So I didn't expect 1 to 10 I have to get. But I didn't pinpointly that first rank I have to come, second rank, third rank. But I prepared in such a way that I have to get a rank, so that my preparation is gone through in that way only. While
Okay.
preparation, I studied as a normal student. I studied all the RTP mock test, and no other than that, no videos again. But in studying, I used to do 14 to 16 hours.
In your interview, whether they asked about CMA rank.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. In interview, yes, sir. In interview, actually, how I got this is I went for CMA campus placement.
Okay.
CMA campus placement. They being having a CA, CS, CMA, they asked me whether would you like to do in company secretary department. I got very good. I was willing to do in law. So unfortunately, I got that. Luckily, I got the CS department only. So I moved to company secretary department.
Okay, very good. So thank you so much, Surendra, for being participating in my show. And because see, English is not a favorite language for both of us. Okay, for you, Telugu is more comfortable. For me, Tamil is more comfortable. But since we have a larger audience in English, at the
Yes,
same time, at the request of many students, and you may be inspiration for them, Surendra. There are 2 3 reasons I'm going to tell you for inspiration. Point number 1, there are many people triplet without articleship experience. I have seen people, you should not tell, but they have put dummy articles. Okay, so but you have not taken dummy articles. You came here, I think Chennai, you did your articles. Okay,
yes,
that's where we met first of all. So point number 2, some people are only bookish. They won't fail at all in their life. Only bookish, they will pass everything in first attempt. Okay, like that. But you are like no, you also faced failures in your life, so
yes,
you know how a success is and how the failure is, how the rank is, how the failure is. Correcta? Rank enjoyment இருக்கும், failure depression இருக்கும். That two extreme you faced in your life. Okay, and you have taken a different no working style. You are taking a different course, like a company secretaryship. You are now working. So this is the, no, you have done in very various vertical. That is why I chosen you for my show. And thank you so much for your participation. And you can tell a final words and we can wind up.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Krishnan sir. And we will, Krishnan sir and me, myself, when he started Let Pass CA, I was a student at the time. He is going with the 10 members, and later I am seeing the how it is
Today
going.
also 9 members only, Surendra. Today also I am taking class for CA final. Today also we have only 9 members, 9 students. But all this 9 will pass CA. Okay, they have excellent knowledge in Companies Act. See, today also we have not grown much and all. Every batch 9, 10, 15 students only. Okay, so today also we are like the same thing only. Continue.
Yes, sir. Final message is we have to focus on what we are doing, irrespective of failure. Failure or success is an event. Only it is just an event. We should not depend on the event. If if I thought that I failed in CA final, I was not able to do CA final, whether I can able to CMA CS. We should not think that from CA failure only, I got to know I have to fill this gap with another one. So I took a positive step. I completed the CMA CS. So everybody has to take everything, whether it is happened wrong or right. We have to take in a positive motion only. Then only we can succeed in either in a professional or personal life. So we have to take in a such a way. And mentors, we should keep mentor or guidance. Previously, when I was doing, my brother is a guidance to me. And further, now other people's, when my brother or brother-in-law he did in 2007, at that time no one is there to guide him. And then after when I going to do this, one person is there. When further new aspirants is coming, no, you have more persons to guide. The one thing only you have to focus, taking the inputs from all the persons, take the what the right steps there. You have to achieve. You have to all the either a teacher or a parent or a relatives. What you all required is your success only. To go in a such a path, we all will guide you. That's no problem.
Thank you so much, Surendra. All the best for your career.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye bye. Bye.
Bye. Sir.